Hey there, I'm Bill, and if you help advise companies on how to measurably improve their tech stack, the GitClear Ambassadors program has the potential to be a highlight of your revenue growth over the next year. See, we've created a developer tools company that helps all the stakeholders on a dev team agree what's happening on their team. The toolkit of reports that we've created can answer all sorts of questions like what directories or components are harboring the most relevant tech debt, or how does the rate at which our repo evolve compare to other companies of our size? How much of our work is planned versus unplanned, and what purpose is the unplanned work serving? So these reports are really useful, but there's a handful of other companies that could also claim to answer similar types of questions. What makes GitClear different than those other companies? Salespeople. The profit margin we save by not having a sales team is profit margin that we can and will offer to our GitClear ambassadors. Specifically, if you bring a customer to GitClear, you can earn 50% of the revenue that customer generates during their first year. Let's do the math. The average team that signs up for GitClear has about 15 active developers, $29 per developer per month if you're working with enterprise teams. If you get them to sign up and stay signed up for a year, would be $2,610. And so you, GitClear, and the customer are all learning more about what's happening in your repo. You're all doing that at a better price than would otherwise be available. And in your case, you're getting to go on a vacation afterwards. In our case, we're getting more done. I think it's reasonable to ask why we would be so generous compared to the industry average. And the honest answer is that myself and the rest of the company are developers, and we really thrive when we're building the product. The only way that people are going to discover our product is by us being good enough that CTOs and VPs of engineering and people who advise them know that GitClear exists. So that is GitClear's ambassador program. If you're a consultant, a freelance CTO, a VP of engineering, anyone else that helps companies understand how to get better code delivered faster, now would be a good time to start understanding what GitClear is. We don't have much time to help you get up to speed with what GitClear is, but here's the gist of 1,000 words in an animated picture.
GitClear interprets code changes more like a CTO would. Beyond additions and deletions, code gets moved, updated, batch replaced, and copy-pasted. Line impact assigns each change a score based on the cognitive energy it required. Commits don't happen in isolation. When you glue commits together by the issue they address, you find work in earlier commits gets superseded by later commits. That later work effectively cancels out the previous, taking the value for itself. Commit groups offer immediate status clarity for Jira tickets without breaking the developer's flow state to request an update.
You'll find plenty more resources about GitClear from the links in the description.